Hello my friends, this is Mario from Perris Auto Repair Center. There are a few myths I'd like to dispel about our industry and servicing that you should do for your car and what you shouldn't do. So myth number one, people think premium gas makes every car run better, and that's not necessarily the case. Myth number two, you must change your oil every 3,000 miles. Now, if your vehicle does not require synthetic oil, that may be the case. You want to check specifications. For regular oil, you require 3,000 miles. For synthetic oil, which most cars require synthetic oil, just change your oil at 5,000 miles. Myth number three, warm up your car for several minutes in the morning. That's actually a good idea. That's not a myth. You should do that. Let it run till idles down. One of the main reasons why you want to let your car run for a few minutes is because it'll get the oil flowing and metal expands a little bit when it warms up. So you don't want to just get in your car, start it and run. It'll cause premature wear. Cylinders will get worn a little faster. Whereas when you run it for a few minutes, everything will get seated and the oil will get a chance to lubricate through the whole system. Myth number four, you can wash your car with dish soap. You should just use car soap because there's waxes, there's films that protect your actual paint. You don't want to use dish soap. Use actual car soap, that preferably one that has like a wax in it, that'd be good too. Myth number five, people think that air conditioning uses more gas than having the windows down. Well, that might be true at lower speeds, but at higher speeds, you're getting more drag from the wind. And also new vehicles, air conditioning systems are so efficient, they don't really affect the fuel mileage too much. It's not a big deal. Myth number six, bigger tires always improve performance. So bigger tires can be good, like for off-roading. There will be drawbacks to it. You will lose fuel mileage. You'll put more stress on all the joints, the wheel bearings. Everything will get more stress. Sometimes performance can even be hindered if you're looking at engine performance as far as power goes. You'll lose power, you'll lose fuel mileage. You might get performance in other ways. So it just depends. Make sure you consult someone that knows what they're doing. So myth number eight, people think that flushing your systems out, your coolant system, your transmission, your power steering, that it can damage the system and cause more problems. It will not cause problems. It will only help the longevity of whatever it is that you're flushing. For example, transmission fluid. When transmission fluid begins to break down, clutch material goes into the fluid, it starts to create abrasions in the system that will damage clutches and damage your system. So if you leave the same fluid in there for too long, it's going to actually wear the transmission out much faster. So definitely you want to make sure you're flushing your systems out timely. That way your systems work as smooth and as properly as possible. Myth number nine, tire rotations. There shouldn't be a set amount of time that you do tire rotations. Like you shouldn't be doing it every other oil change. It really depends on the vehicle and how you're driving. Whenever we do a service on any vehicle, we check tire wear and then we rotate them accordingly. Sometimes you can't even do front to back rotation. Sometimes you have to do side to side. Sometimes you dismount the tire and flip the way it's rotating to get the most life out of the tire. So people automatically assume that you should just rotate your tires every oil change or every other oil change. That's a myth that needs to be dispelled. So myth number 10, classic cars are better and more durable than new cars. There are aspects to that are true, like the bodies are more durable. But the reason why new cars crumble, they have crumble zones, it's for safety of the people inside the vehicle. New cars are much, much safer, and engines, transmissions, differentials, brakes, everything, virtually everything lasts longer on new cars. You can get way more life out of the newer cars. They may not be as cool, you might not get as many looks in a new car, but if you're gonna drive it around every day, I would recommend a newer car. This is Mario from Perris Auto Repair Center. If you guys have any other questions, just go ahead and give us a call and we'll help you guys out.